Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel so you can, see the rest of 31 Days of Halloween. We're doing my hair hanging out. We're doing spooky shit all 31 days of October. This is my version of Wednesday Addams. This is obviously not the Wednesday Addams that's in the TV show the TV show from like way back in the day, and it's definitely not Christina Ricci version because clearly they didn't wear makeup. This is a more grown-up, gone off to college Wednesday. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a few things before we start. If you're planning on actually being Wednesday Addams for Halloween, might I recommend a better wig than this. This one was like $5 from Walmart, and there's like literally short spiky hairs in the back of it, and it is hella thin, but it is good enough for me to make this video. For my Wednesday outfit, I'm literally just wearing a plain black t-shirt that I bought to get monogrammed and haven't sent it off yet. And this is one of James's old white button-ups, and I literally just cut it like into a bib, so it's really only going down to like right here. But yeah, this was super easy to create. If you had like a long sleeve or like 3/4 length sleeve black dress, you can do this with any white button-up. You can go to like a thrift store and find one, cut it up, and then you're ready to go with your Wednesday Addams costume. And yeah, let's get into the video, guys. So, hey everybody, I haven't done a voiceover in a few days, and I am totally sorry. It's been a little crazy. We're just gonna pull our hair back and get ready to go. I am going to start off by priming my eyelids with white concealer, and I'm also dragging this pretty far down underneath my eye so my skin gets paler than it already is. I know it's hard to believe. I'm also just setting that down with a white eyeshadow from Wet n Wild so I don't get any creasing or anything, because that white is going to stay pretty prominent in our makeup look today. Once that's done, I'm moving on to a very, very cool tone brown, almost gray, and I'm going to start adding this into the crease and into my outer corner, and I'm just going to continue to build this with deeper and deeper gray tones until I'm happy with how it looks. Once we're done with that, I'm taking the white eyeshadow again and cutting my crease almost with it, just super lightening that inner corner. And now that we're done with that, we're going to do the other eye and work on our face makeup. So for today, Wednesday Addams has no pores like normal. We're going to prime our skin quickly, and then I'm going in with a very, very pale shade of foundation, and we're just going to build that up until we're happy with how pale we are. Make sure you drag this down your neck if you're actually wearing this as a costume. I drag mine down a little bit, but don't pale out my neck as much as I do my face, but you get the gist of it. White out your entire face almost. Look how fancy. I didn't know I could get any more pale than I already am, but lo and behold, here we go. Using the same white concealer we primed our eyes with, I'm just adding this under my eyes and to the high points of my face for a little bit of highlighting effect. I'm going in with a pure translucent powder from Tarte, and I am covering up my black
shirt so I don't get powder everywhere, but you want to really make sure your entire face is set so it doesn't smear around all night. But I would suggest finding a pure white powder instead of a translucent powder, because this will have a ton of bounce back if you take flash photography. To add just a little bit of life back into our face, I am taking a very cool tone bronzer and carving out my cheekbones, temples, a little bit around my hairline and my nose, and then I go back over it with a gray shade just to cool it off a lot more. Look how fancy. We're just going to fill in our eyebrows as we normally would. I put down a taupe color so it's very light, and then I go over it with a black shadow and a super small angled brush. You can just use a black eyeliner pencil or a black eyebrow pencil, but my eyeliner pencil is super creamy and it smears everywhere, and I don't have a black eyebrow pencil. This is just a difficult way of doing it. I decided my eyes weren't quite as dark as I wanted them to, so I'm going in with a pure matte black and just adding that mainly to my outer corner and blending it outward into my crease. By outward, I meant upward. I can never talk in these. I am so sorry. Now we're taking a mix of all of the grays on our eyes and a little bit of the black and smudging this underneath our lash line. I don't smudge it way far down, but I go a little further than I would normally do during the day. I'm quickly tightlining my waterline and my upper waterline, and yeah, this is pretty basic step. And because our Wednesday Addams is a little more glam than your average girl, we're gonna put on a pretty big thickened black winged eyeliner on both eyes, obviously. When we're done with that, we're gonna apply some false lashes and mascara, and now it's time to do the lip. I have uneven lips and my lips are not very full, so I overdraw mine when I have a dark lip on just so it's more prominent. Yeah, so continue to line your lips for 30 minutes and then fill them in with black lipstick. Now, because our Wednesday is still going a little more glam than normal, we're gonna apply a solid white highlight to the high points of our face. And now it's finally time to put on our wig and our little costume. Look, we're a little adult glam Wednesday Addams, I guess. I'm so sorry for all this dancing in this video. My apologies. It's not very good at all.
So that is it for this look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I probably, like, low-key, this is like one of my favorite looks I've done this month so far. This wig is like 100% whack. Like, this is the wig. I don't understand. This was a $5 wig from, girl. This was a $5 wig from Walmart. If you enjoyed the video while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of Halloween. I'm having so much fun. I'll see, my collar keeps turning sideways. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.